Quick video on how to install an interior doorknob in your house. All you're going to need is your doorknob assembly here, the striker plate, 2 screws that'll go in this part of the doorknob, and 2 more screws that'll hold the striker plate into the door. On this set, you don't need to unscrew the screws all the way. You can just rotate and then slide it off. Same thing here, you just slide the center part out. So you're going to want to check that your parts line up in the cut of the door. Sometimes you got to trim this out with a chisel, but this is pretty good. It'll tap in with a hammer. It's pretty close. And this should be in the center. Then you can take your doorknob. You're going to want to check which side do you want to have the manual lock and which side do you want to have the key lock. Just going to fit through there, just slides in like that. Then remember, it's just going to just rotate a little bit, slide over your nuts or your bolts, and then go in like that. Quick check, looks good. I'm just going to tighten this. Tap this back with a hammer. Take your small screws. Don't strip this out, just go until it stops. Do another quick test. Looks all right. Verify that this is cut right. It looks like it's pretty close. I'm gonna have to tap this with a hammer. I might have to cut this out a little bit. I'm gonna have to take a little bit of that wood out, I think. Let's test it. Yeah, I think it'll work. All right. Okay, one last test here. There you go. So that's how you install a doorknob on an interior door.